Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit in pocket option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over to pocketoption.com and sign into your account, or create an account if you don't have one. Then once you've signed in, we want to go ahead and click on the trading button here, and this is only available in your Forex MT5 Real account or MT5 demo account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use the demo account for this. It also might be available in MT4 Real and Demo as well, but I've just been using this in MT5 at this stage. Now on the right hand side, we can buy and sell here, and we can buy a market order, buy a price order, and below that we can volume of trade and lot. So at the moment we've got 0.01, but if I want to change this to say 10, I can change that to 10. Now before that, it will say conditions for closing a deal. So this is where we can set our stop loss. So below that, we can set a stop loss here and also a take profit. So we can adjust that accordingly. So I can do say 0.5 and stop loss 0.5 as well. And then from there, just simply go ahead and click on buy.